Hi everyone and welcome to another astronomical events video where I talk about the highlight astronomical events, which for this video will be for November 2022. So for those of you who are wondering why I'm not uploading that many videos anymore, it's because I've been very busy with my college life lately and I wanted to prioritize my academics more. But I will still upload videos whenever I find the time. And so, without further ado, let's dive straight into the astronomical events for November 2022. So, starting on November the 2nd, we will have a Moon-Saturn conjunction where the ringed planet will appear close to our moon in the night sky. The planets Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus, and Mars will all be in the night sky during the conjunction event. However, Uranus and Neptune are not part of the visible planets in the heavens since they are dim. Uranus is also indistinguishable from the faint stars in the night sky, but Neptune is not naked eye visible. The two distant worlds are best seen through a telescope to make them stand out more from the stars and darkness of outer space. Our nearest spiral galaxy, Andromeda, will be in the heavens during this time. However, it will only be visible to the naked eye in the dark sky site with little or no light pollution. The conjunction event makes it a spectacular opportunity to witness multiple planets and the Andromeda galaxy in one night. The moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 60% illumination during this time. The term conjunction in astronomy refers to two celestial bodies appearing close to each other in the heavens. From November the 4th to the 5th, we will have the peak of a minor meteor shower called the Southern Taurids. The meteor shower runs annually from September the 10th to November the 20th and consists of two streams from two sources. The first stream, or the Northern Taurids, comes from debris left by asteroid 2004 TG10, and the second stream, or the Southern Taurids, from comet 2P Encke. The shower peaks this year on the night of November the 4th, peaking at about 5 to 10 meteors per hour. However, the nearly full moon will block all but the brightest meteors, but you can still catch some decent ones if you wait patiently. The best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The meteors will irradiate from the constellation Taurus, hence the shower's name, but will appear anywhere in the sky. On November the 5th, the moon will conjunct with Jupiter after moving on from Saturn. However, the two celestial objects will not be close enough to fit in the view of a telescope. The Andromeda galaxy and the planets Mars, Uranus, Neptune, and Saturn will still be in the night sky. The event is another chance to see numerous heavenly objects in one night. The moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 88% illumination during this time. Now, November the 8th brings us a special event called a total lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the moon passes through the Earth's darkest shadow called the umbra. The moon will gradually get darker and take on a rusty or blood red color during this time. The lunar eclipse will be visible throughout eastern Russia, Japan, the Philippines, Australia, and parts of Western and Central North America, as you can see from this map. In the Philippines, where I am based, the eclipse becomes visible during the moonrise at around 5 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. The eclipse's peak begins at 6:59 p.m., totality ends at 7:41 p.m., and the event ends at 9:56 p.m. You can also use night sky emulator apps like Stellarium to know when and where to find the total lunar eclipse. If you wish to know what a total lunar eclipse feels like, I created a vlog in 2021 showing my journey in capturing the celestial event. I will provide an info card in the top right corner if you want to check out the vlog. And yes, I'll be vlogging on November 8th if it's clear skies while I'm photographing the total lunar eclipse. So, stay tuned. On November the 9th, Uranus will reach its opposition in the heavens, placing the gas giant at its closest approach to Earth. The planet will appear brightest during this time and is visible all night long, making it the best time to view the distant world through a telescope or binoculars. However, the gas giant will only appear as a tiny blue-green dot through a suitable telescope. Despite being at its brightest, it will still be indistinguishable from the faint stars when viewed with the naked eye, so it is best to have some form of optical equipment. At the same time, the moon will conjunct with the Pleiades star cluster on the same night. The moon will be in its waning gibbous phase with 99% illumination during this time, making it challenging to catch the star cluster. On November the 11th, the Moon will proceed to conjunct with Mars after moving on from the Pleiades. Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn will be in the night sky. Our natural satellite will be in its waning gibbous phase with 93% illumination during this time. Now, November the 13th will be the peak of another stream of the Taurids meteor shower called the Northern Taurids. The minor meteor shower peaks from November the 12th to the 13th, reaching 5 to 10 meteors per hour. However, the bright waning gibbous moon will be in the night sky during this time, washing out all but the brightest meteors. The best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The meteors will irradiate from the constellation Taurus, hence its name, but can appear anywhere in the sky. On November the 14th, we will have a moon apogee wherein the moon will be at its farthest approach from our planet. It will be around 404,900 kilometers away from us and be in its waning gibbous phase with 75% illumination. The moon will appear smaller than usual, but the difference will be subtle. Now, November the 18th brings us the peak of one of the best meteor showers, the Leonids. The Leonids is an average meteor shower that runs annually from November the 6th to the 30th. However, it is a unique shower since it has a cyclonic peak about every 33 years where it can produce a meteor storm of thousands of meteors per hour. The last meteor storm occurred in 2002. The Leonids come from dust grains left by Comet Tempel-Tuttle. It peaks this year from November the 17th to the morning of the 18th, reaching about 15 meteors per hour. However, the second quarter moon will block all but the brightest meteors. The best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The irradiant point will be in the constellation Leo, but the meteors will appear anywhere in the sky. Finally, on November the 29th, we will have a Moon-Saturn conjunction where the thin waxing crescent moon will appear close to the famous rain-to gas giant. However, the two celestial objects won't be close enough to fit in the view of a telescope, but you can still get a shot of the moon and Saturn in one frame like this and place an earthly foreground. The conjunction event will take place in the early evening after sunset. Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, and Mars will all be in the night sky, but Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars in the heavens. The Andromeda Galaxy will also be present in the same night, allowing you to perform deep sky astrophotography. So, that's it for the highlights for November 2022, guys, and I hope that you found this video useful and informative so far, and hopefully some, if not most of you, can witness the total lunar eclipse this November 2022, since that doesn't happen all the time, including the Leonids Meteor Shower, since that is one of the best meteor showers of the year. And so, without further ado, I wish you good luck, clear skies, and enjoy the universe before your very eyes, and see you next time. And baboosh!